In this video, you'll discover how to convert a quote to an invoice in just a few easy steps. You'll be able to convert the following quote types to invoices: approved, declined, draft, open, and expired. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. Click on the quote ID that you want to convert to an invoice. This will take you to the Quote Details page. Click on the More button and choose Convert to Invoice. A confirmation box will appear. To cancel the conversion process, click Cancel or close the box. To start the conversion process, click the OK button. Let's check it out. This is an invoice that has been converted from the quote. Let's check the status of that quote. Great! The status has been changed to invoiced. Congratulations! We've successfully converted a specific quote to an invoice. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.